Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to continue with our team-based building, Old But Gold team. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a team-based super booster from Wolverine and the X-Men set. In the previous videos, we have built, I think, 4 out of the 6, I think, boosters that we can build. And this one is our second to the last, which is the X-Men Gold team. Okay. So we can see here the map, okay, which is the Astral Plane Outdoor map. We'll put it aside for now. We see some marshmallows packaging. So let's take them out, and it will reveal that the team base we're going to build, as I said, is the Old But Gold X-Men Gold team. Okay, they don't use this anymore. It's nice to really squeeze them. Anyway, let me just flip it over, and here we are, mint and sealed. We have the team base. I think this one is probably the best, if not second the best. We have the X-Men blue team, which of course may be the best because of Wolverine's inclusion in that team base, but this is a close second. Okay, so, and included in the super booster we have Storm. Let me take her out. Okay, Storm. We have Iceman and Archangel. Oops, sorry. Oh, we have a casualty. It's an easy fix, easy glue. So we have Archangel. Okay, it's fine. And then we have the blue base, or the gold team base. So let's unlock it. Okay. There you go. So here we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figures, and we only have 3. That means we hunted 3 other figures just to be sure that the character cards are here, and the team base card for the golden age, gold team rather. Okay, so let's see. The other 3 characters that we need are Bishop, Jean Grey, and Colossus. Okay, the beauty with this particular team base is that getting these 3 extra characters is relatively cheap. Okay, so I think this will be the cheapest team base in terms of collecting it. Okay, so Colossus, we got this one from online, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so good. Bishop, we got this one online as well. Okay, I think this was the last figure we got for this particular team base. Okay, and we got a couple of Jean Greys. So one is without a base and one is with a base. Okay, so this one we got locally from Julian, if I'm not mistaken. So thank you very much, Julian, for helping me complete this team base. Okay, so we have to choose which one to use. Okay, I would tend to go with the left one, the one on the left. Okay, but we'll keep the one on the right for reserve. Okay, so let's put them in the side and build our team base. As I said in previous video, you just have to be extra careful. Make sure that you just let it snap in its place. So Colossus comes here. Let's see how it looks like. The bishop is in the center. Okay. And then we have Jean Grey in front. Oops, careful. It should just snap, so don't force it. There you go. Oops. Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay. And then we have Iceman. Take him out of his dial into the team base. Goes in the side. Obviously. Careful. Okay. And then we have Storm that goes here. Obviously, because of the lightning bolts. Okay. Okay. And Archangel goes here. Not so obviously. Okay, but let me see if I can put him without the wings first, and then we'll just probably put the wings. There we go. Oops. Okay. So we have to glue that wing first. But that's how the gold team base looks. It looks really amazing. A good display piece for any X-Men collector. Wow. I can only imagine before how fun it is to pull this and use these team bases. Perhaps a legacy card? I don't think so. Anyway, what are your thoughts, guys? Share it in the comments and let's get into the last team base. Bye-bye!